Hey, Lincoln, you want to go swimming? Come on. Come on, let's go swimming. Is there something under that rock? Come here, buddy. Leave it alone. Lincoln. What's under you? What are you looking at? I don't see anything. Can you leave it alone? Let's go swim in the water. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good morning. Hi. Well, we've already said good morning. They've already had their breakfast, and they're just hanging out, waiting for me to give them these granola bars and carrots right here after Jorah gets her eye ointment, which is right here. So this is something we do every day, and I can't film myself doing that, so it's very difficult, but I assure you that Jorah is getting treatment for her eye problem. As you can see right here, she's still got goopy eyes. So we're going to work on that. Okay, so what I'm doing now is trying to convince Atticus to come out of the enclosed area and leave Jorah in there by herself so she can get her eye medicine without Atticus crowding us. So he knows the routine. He knows what's expected of him. So let's see if we can get him out without putting any halter and lead rope on him. He'll probably go out by himself because he knows the routine. Come on, Atticus. Come on, buddy. Usually it takes a few minutes. So we'll see how he does today. I believe that horses are very intelligent. Well, I actually know that they are. And I like natural horsemanship. I don't like putting equipment on my horses unless I absolutely have to. But I don't feel like I absolutely have to with this because Atticus will come over and stand out here by his trough and play with his buckets like he usually does every morning. Okay, you guys, Jorah was a good girl and she got her medicine. So now we're going to take her halter off. Hi, sweetheart. You're all done. You're all done. We want your eyes to get better. I need to talk to her vet because I'm thinking that she might have to be put on. Every time I stopped giving her her eye medicine, her problem comes right back. Oh, and by the way, Atticus is being a very good boy, as you can see. There's Atticus. We got him away from his mom for a few minutes. And now part of our routine is to give them carrots and to open the fence. There's Lincoln, our helper. He's really muddy because he went swimming in the irrigation water. Hi, Atticus. You were a good boy, too. Thank you. Okay, the carrots are all done, And as you can see, Atticus is anxious to be reunited with his mama. So we're going to let him back in. Whoops. My humble gate here. Now I know my horses well. What they're going to do now is probably go under here and take a nap now that their bellies are all full. So we appreciate you watching this video, and we hope you have a really good day.